Let's begin with a simple experiment. I'm creating a new file called hello.html. In this file, I'm not going to write any HTML. No tags, no CSS, nothing. I'll simply paste a paragraph of plain text. Now I'll save the file and open it in a browser. The browser displays the content immediately. At this point, we haven't written any HTML. We've only written plain text. Right now, this is just content. There's no structure. This is exactly the problem HTML solves. Now let me rewrite the same content using HTML. If you notice the text highlighted in pink and blue, those are HTML tags. They tell the browser what each piece of content represents. Now I'll save the file. Now you can see that the content has a proper structure. It's clear which text is the heading, which is the paragraph, and which parts are bold or italic. That's what HTML tags do. They give structure and meaning to the content. Let me explain this with a simple example. Imagine delivering a pile of bricks, doors, windows, and wood to a piece of land. Everything needed to build the house is there, but it isn't a house yet. Those materials need to be arranged into walls, rooms, floors, and a roof before they become a real house. Once the structure is complete, we can paint the walls, add lighting, furniture, and decorations to make it look beautiful and livable. Websites work in the similar way. The content is like the raw materials, and HTML organizes those content into a meaningful structure. Then CSS brings that structure to life by adding colors, typography, spacing, layouts, and other visual styles. That's the basic idea behind how websites are built. Everything starts with content. HTML gives that content structure and meaning. CSS controls how that structure looks and feels. Every website you visit follows the same process. Now it's time to move beyond the theory and start building. In the next chapter, we'll create our first HTML document and begin building our web page from scratch.